So it's been a few years since I've hit an exploding golf ball with a 360 camera. And since that was the X2 and now we're on the X5, I thought, let's give it another shot.
MrBlack.
And by the way, welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets and gear, things like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. And I'll put links to everything down in the description, because on this video, yes, I do have the X5, which is one of the best 360 cameras out there, but I'm also gonna use this really cool cage to hit it with. And if you wanna learn more about the X5, I'll put a link to my X5 video at the end of this video. But let's go ahead and hit an exploding golf ball. And we can try it a few different ways. We'll try it with the cage, and then we'll actually try and hit it straight on the lens, because the X5 actually has replaceable lenses, and I have a replaceable lens here. So maybe we'll break it, maybe we won't. So we have 3 exploding golf balls. We'll shoot it in 8K, we'll shoot it in slow motion, and we'll shoot it straight on the lens itself and see what happens. We don't have to pre-select vertical or horizontal, so depending on what platform we're shooting in, we could actually just change that later on and use it for all platforms. And then easily keyframe the shot to keep that ball in center, and you get results like this. Okay, so that might have been a little bit fast with 8K 30 frames per second, but you could still see a lot of detail in the picture, which looks really nice. So that's 8K 30 frames per second. Now what if we go down to slow motion? We have it set for 4K 120 frames per second. Here we go. And even when it is 4K, you can still see a lot of really good detail in the picture quality. Now it's time to see if we can break this lens. Which lens should it be? Should it be that one? Should it be that one? Smack dab on the lens itself. Oh. It looks like it's a crack, doesn't it? It's a little bit of a, nope, that's just dust. Wow, no problem. I need to break these lenses sometime so I can try the new lens kits. There you have it. These things are pretty strong. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to actually hit this with a real golf ball on the lens to see if that breaks. Maybe we will try that next time. But I will say that the footage looks really cool. I was able to preview it on the phone, and yeah, a lot better than the old X2, that's for sure. There's a lot of other ways that you could probably get some really creative golf swing shots. And if you want to see some other cool Insta360 accessories, you can check out this video over here. If you want to see the whole X5 video breakdown, click that video right there. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.